In this video, we will review graphing parabolas in vertex form. We know that vertex form is when we have the A, the H, and the K. A changes the shape. It tells us if it's a vertical stretch or vertical compression. It also tells if it's a reflection when A is negative. H is the one that moves you left and right, and we remember it's opposite what it looks like, so we've got that minus sign in there. And K is the one that moves us up and down. So when we look at this, the first thing we want to do is identify A and H and K. So A is 1/2. H, it says +1, but we know it's the opposite of what it looks like. So H is -1 and K is +2. And then our vertex is just H comma K. So our vertex is -1, +2. So we'll put that on our graph first, -1, +2. That's great. And then we know that it is a vertical compression because A is 1/2. And we also know that it's going to open up because A is positive. What we want to do now is just get a couple more points so we can see the shape of it. So we can make a little table of values. Let's move this back down. X and Y. We have our vertex, -1 and 2. We're just going to put in a couple more values for X. I'm going to put in the next two numbers, 0 and 1. And we're going to plug those numbers in to this original equation. So y equals 1/2 times, since it was x plus 1, and we're going to do 0 plus 1, because 0 is the first x we're going to plug in, plus 2. So y equals 1/2 times 0 plus 1 is 1 squared plus 2. Remember to do your exponent first, so we're going to do 1 squared, which is 1. So we'll do 1/2 times 1 plus 2, running out of space here. So y equals 1/2 plus 2, so 2 and 1/2. So when x is 0, y is 2.5. Once we've plugged that one in, we're going to go back and plug in +1. So y equals 1/2 times, instead of 0 plus 1, we'll do 1 plus 1. Remember to do your order of operations, so we're going to add first. Then we'll do our exponent. We're going to add, we add in the parentheses. Then we're going to multiply. 1/2 times 4 is 2. So y equals 4. And now we have two more ordered pairs here. 0, 2.5 would be right here. 1, 4, over 1, up 4. And then remember you have that line of symmetry, so you can plot the mirrored points on the other side. There's your graph.